How to change app icons to bigger or smaller on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. Here, scroll down and tap on accessibility option. As you tap on accessibility, you will have different options at the top of the screen. Simply select on the vision option, and as you do that, you can see the option of display size under the display category. Select on that. Now you can see the intensity at the bottom of the screen, so you can just drag it if you want to have a bigger app icons. If smaller, then you can just take it to the left and just tap on the check mark. Tap on OK, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.